Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today I'll show you how to reset the secondary password in Mobile Legends Bang Bang on iPhone quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Mobile Legends Bang Bang app on your iPhone or Android device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon to open your account settings. Step 3. Switch to the account tab inside the profile settings. Step 4. On the right side of the screen, find and tap the secondary verification option. Step 5. Tap OK to continue to the next step. Step 6. Select the Forgot Password option to begin the reset process. Step 7. Tap the secondary password disable request button to submit your request. Step 8. Wait patiently for 5 days as the secondary password will be disabled automatically. Step 9. After the waiting period, your secondary password will be turned off and you can recover your account. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tutorials.